Adding here some instant pudding right into my vanilla yogurt, you guys. We are in for a treat today. You are gonna wanna combine all of those ingredients, and you better believe it. You know that this is going to make this yogurt nice, chocolatey, and tasty, and not even to mention super packed with protein. I love making this for the summertime. So once you have that, I'm just gonna use my handy dandy mixer here to make my life easier and quickly combine all of that delicious chocolate pudding mix along with that vanilla Greek yogurt. That is looking so good, nice and smooth and creamy. And look at that, I can tell that that consistency is already changed, you guys. We definitely are gonna need to give this a try. Oh my gosh, it's so silky and smooth, and it's just gonna be the perfect texture. You're gonna love this. All right, so be sure to save those beaters if you're using them for later. And look at this, check this out, a pecan pie crust. Did you guys even know that those existed? Because that's the first time that I've seen that in the grocery store right by me. Oh look, Penny's even excited about them too. She's excited about this pecan pie crust as much as I am. All right, well of course any pie crust will do, but I thought I would change it up, and I'm just gonna get all the rest of this chocolate right out here. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious, you guys. So many options with this. If you have any other ideas, of course, share them in the comments. I'm gonna spread this all the way over into this tasty pie crust, just like so. Oh my gosh, this looks smooth and delicious. And like I said, that consistency is going to be perfect. Okay, so we got that good to go. We're just gonna pop this in the fridge and let it set up for a couple minutes. We've got some more coming, so stay right there. All right, so now I'm gonna come in with my favorite kind of caramel. And yes, you need to try this. I could literally eat that stuff by the spoonful. So we had that sitting there in the fridge, and I'm gonna start to just pour this caramel right on top. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Now, if your caramel is really, really thick right there in your can, you can kind of heat it a little bit, or what you can do is you can just add a little smidgen of water there and stir it all together, because this can be really thick. Oh, but it is going to be perfect, because that combination of that caramel along with that chocolate, oh yeah, baby, look at that. So I am not gonna be stingy about that. I am gonna spread this all over top. Now, if you don't wanna use it all, whatever, that's totally up to you. But trust me when I say that when you try this stuff, when you taste this stuff, you're gonna thank me for that. You're gonna know why that you're gonna use the whole can on this. And if there's any left over, you're probably gonna be licking the can. Okay, so I think that that looks good. I'm actually just gonna get a little bit more here, right in the corner. Look at how pretty that looks, how smooth, ooh, and caramely that is. So don't forget, if you need to add a little smidgen of water to that, it really does help a lot. Now check it out, I have some Heath bits. I'm not gonna lie, I thought that I had the ones that were covered in chocolate, but I guess I didn't get those ones. So whatever you choose, you guys, do you ever do that? Do you think you get the one kind at the grocery store, then you get home, you open it up and you think, oh shucks, I got the wrong one. Well, maybe it's gonna be better this way. I am a firm believer that everything happens for a reason. So you can see that I'm just kind of totally loading this top up with all of these Heath pieces, because I know that with this caramel and then that creamy chocolate center, it is going to be fabulous. So I don't care, I want a good crunch on top. A little bit more I'm gonna add right over here. No shame in my game, and that is for sure, especially today, because I know this is gonna be phenomenal. What an easy dessert this is. I can barely even talk. I'm so stoked about it. We have our pie crust, and then we have our instant jello along with that yogurt. We mix it together. We have the caramel topping, some Heath bits. Anyone can do this one, you guys, and I'm sure everyone's gonna love it. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge so it can all set up together, and stick around because I'm gonna slice into this. I think you're really gonna love this one. Oh yeah, baby, get in my belly. I am ready to scarf this down. I am really in the mood for some chocolate, some caramel, and this Heath. Oh, this cake feels so good. Oh, this is gonna be so good and creamy, I already know. Oh, and this crust. The biggest part is trying to get the piece out. That's the hardest part. So we'll see how I do in that area. But you know what? It is what it is. It's gonna taste delicious either way. Okay, so I'm gonna try for this one right here in the front. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, check that out. We've got that creamy chocolate Heath. Ooh. Look at that with all of that caramel right there on top. Oh my gosh, the caramel is like seeped in. So good. Look at that. You guys, this is a home run right here. Wow, amazing. How easy was that? We used the yogurt, the chocolate jello, which you could totally change up. This crust, I totally forgot we did the pecan. Any crust will do, but this is delicious. And then that caramel top with the Heath bits, which totally is your preference too. Oh my gosh, we have like 4 ingredients or something like that. I can't hardly believe how delicious this is, you guys. I hope you give it a try. Let me know if you're gonna change anything up. We'll have that recipe linked in the comments. I'm definitely gonna scarf this down and share it with my family. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.